So, hello everyone. My name is Sunil Kumar, and today I'm going to show you my third project that I style by using only CSS in phase 2. So, let's move to the video. So, uh, here is my here is my profile picture. After that, I have to review the course page. So, this is the course page you can see, and here is the course page overview. You can see all, and after that I'm going to explain my code. So here is the course. So what I am not going to explain is that I already explained in my previous two video. So that's thing I am not going to explain again in every video because the video length is increased, and why I explain everything that I already explained in previous video. That's why I'm not going to explain it all. So in this video, I'm only explaining the main things that I never explained before. So you can see this star. So this star selector is, we can say, what we call it universal selector. Whenever we use, it's applied to the whole page. So we use universal selector, and here is margin and padding, and the both are zero. Why we both are zero? Because according to not according to, you can use many type of browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge. So what they are doing, they took their default spacing, like they took default margin and padding. That's why we are giving to zero, all the zero. That's why. Okay, here is the body, and this is element selector. Already know background color and font family color. I already explained two times, so that's why I'm not going to explain every time. This all things I already explained. What here is one thing is new: text transform to uppercase. What it transform this all to the uppercase. What happen if I comment this? So it's become to the lowercase. Okay, so I'm this how I'm going to explain. If I see any new property of CSS, I'm only going to explain that one and nothing else. So here you can see text transform uppercase, again the same property, and this all I already explained. And here what we call this is class selector. So here is nothing to explain. This all is easy. I already explained. And here is the background color course. Here is the shadow effect that I already told you. And here is the new one thing that I am going to explain you. This is transition. What transition is this is a effect in transition. How, see, this is the transition effect. So transition transform 0.3 ease box shadow 0.3 ease. It means it's transition. What it do, it's whenever we move this cursor to here, it's transform, its transition is what do is transform to its large. You can see it's becoming a large, and when it's transferring, how much time it will take? 0.3. That's why it's coming slow. And the effect is whenever I'm moving this cursor to this, it's taking a effect that's zoom in and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. This is because of this ease effect is do up the zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and the box shadow effect 0.3. So you can see whenever I move my cursor, here is a effect of black background. This is the box shadow effect. It is also taking 0.3 is. So I hope you will understand this all. And here is the child parent selector. So this is body and its child is h3, and in both of them use hover effect. So here is again a transform effect. So transform effect is what to do is the and what transform scale 1.5 seconds to whenever we move this cursor, it's taking time 1.5 second, and scaling means zooming effect. Okay, and main div. So here is the first time use of flexbox. I told you that I'm going to explain you in next video, and here is the flexbox layout. So what boxes do? Whenever we took a container, and in that container we took many other container and give flex uh, display flex to the outer container. We can say the main container and other container to this inside this container. And whenever we give outer container to the flex display, it's control the other container that inside the main container. So what it's happen is flex wrap. So whenever it's mm, first, I have to see where is main div. So here you can see here is the main div class HTML, JavaScript, Python. It means here is the flex wrap is used. For what flex wrap is do? Let's understand by this. So what you can observe, whenever they are becoming small, they wrap into second line. This one is first they are like in a column in a row, but whenever they are getting smaller, they come to the next line. It's mean wrapping. What happen if I use here, if I comment out, and now what uh, I by mistake I comment out the flex display. So let's comment this one, and now you see you can they are not going to the second line. So that's what the work of flex wrap. Okay, I hope you will understand. And the gap 20 pixel, it means the gap between these and these container. Justify content center, it means the center in raw direction. And justify content, what they do, well, there is two section. uh, the first one, whenever they are in the raw, this one is main line, and this one is cross line, cross section, main section and cross section. So justify content is work on main section. Okay, and the padding 20 pixel for the gapping, and font size, list style type none, means they remove the dots dots, and when I comment out this, the dot is appear. So this is the work of style type none. And in main div there is another div that was color this all, and border radius 15 pixel, text align center, transform all 0.3 ease, box shadow effect on this all. That's why here is the same all the things. Main div list white color, this maybe this, and this is all I already told you. Here is the again use of display flex, wrap, gap, font sizing 25 pixel, justify content center, list item none. I already explained this all. And here is the anchor tag here. So what I have to do, cut this all, and here you can see the effect is because of transform scale 1.1 second. In transforming means whenever I move my cursor to this, how they are transformed, and the scale is the effect of zooming the scale and how much time it will take, 1.1 second. And the color is becoming yellow, and the background color is what background color, I think kind of black. Okay, so you can see the it's changing his background color a little bit. Let me fix this to red now. Hmm, it's not changed. Oh, the specificity. Now it will definitely change. Okay, so the background color red, box shadow effect is already I told you. So this is for today, guys. Let's meet to the new video till the end. Thank you for watching the video.